Tanya.
I teach CBSE 8 Maths.
I teach CBSE 10th Maths.
Okay, now let's get into the video.
Today we are going to be learning Chapter 8 Introduction to Trigonometry, Exercise 8.4, fourth question. So in this video we are going to be focusing on two subdivisions, okay? So let's read the question. Choose the correct option, justify your choice. So here the first subdivision is 9 secant square A minus 9 tan square A is equal to, so the options are A 1, B 9 and C 8 and D 0. Okay, so these are the options. Alright, so now what we shall do is we shall solve this first of all. Okay, so here I'll just write it as it is. We have 9 secant square A minus 9 tan square A. We have like this, isn't it? Okay, so now what we are supposed to do? Okay, so that is the question. So here when you just check it out, we have secant square A minus tan square A. Okay, no need to compare the numbers now. So we have secant square A and tan square A. So I have an identity, that is tan square A plus 1 is equal to secant square A. This is the identity we studied, isn't it? Okay, so here I can write 1 is equal to secant square A minus tan square A. Okay, so here when you just check it out, we have exactly the same value, isn't it? That is secant square A minus tan square A. Here also we have the same value. So here when we just apply it, we can actually write 1, isn't it? So now let's apply that. So 9 as it is, and then so here we have secant square. So here now listen carefully. Okay, so here also I have 9, so here also I have 9, so I just took 9 as common. Okay, so after taking 9 as common, what we can do is we can write bracket and secant square A and then minus tan square A. Alright, so now we can actually apply the formula, isn't it? Why? Because after taking the 9 as common, now we have secant square A minus tan square A. So no, there is no interruption, isn't it? Here we had a problem that we had 9, that's why it was somewhat complicated. So now when we just took it as common, now it is not complicated. So now we can write is equal to, so 9, so bracket, so secant square A minus tan square A, so the value is 1. So let's write 1. And then is equal to 1 into 9 is 9. So here in this option we have 9, that is B. So that is our answer. Okay, so now we are going to be solving the second subdivision. Okay, so the second subdivision is 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta bracket 1 plus cot theta minus cosecant theta close the bracket. So the options are A is 0 and B is 1 and C is 2 and D is minus 1. So I am going to write this as it is. So I just wrote the question as it is. So now here now we have tan theta. So I can actually apply the formulas, isn't it? So I can write is equal to bracket, okay, bracket 1 plus, so tan theta, the formula is sin theta by cos theta. This is the formula for tan theta. And then plus we have secant theta. The formula for secant theta is 1 by cos theta. Okay, and then bracket, and then here also bracket 1 as it is plus cot theta. The formula is cos theta by sin theta, and then minus cosecant theta. Her value is 1 by sin theta. And close the bracket. Okay, so now what we can do, we can write is equal to, alright, so now I'm gonna just take LCM. Why? Because here nothing is there, means 1. So when I just take LCM, I'll get cos theta plus sin theta plus 1 divided by cos theta. So of course brackets are really important. And then here when we just take LCM, nothing is there, means 1. So when we just take LCM, we'll get sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 divided by sin theta. So now let's put the bracket. So now what we are supposed to do? So now when you just look at the both the values carefully, so it is in a formula, that is a plus b, a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. It is in this formula. So you guys might be wondering how. How means, so here you can see we have this term and here we have this term. So they both are same, isn't it? These both terms are same, and here we have 1 and here we have minus 1. Okay, so here we can see this is a and this is b. Okay, 1 is b and this cos theta plus sin theta is a. Okay, so now when we just apply the formula, we'll get cos theta plus sin theta the whole square minus 1 the whole square, and then divided by cos theta sin theta. Okay, so this is the value. Okay, so now what we can do is, so here if you have a confusion, no, so here cos theta into sin theta, cos theta into sin theta, I just wrote it without bracket, that's why it you guys might be confused, isn't it? Okay, so don't worry guys, it is into, nothing is there means into. Okay, so now is equal to, so we have cos theta plus sin theta the whole square. So here also I can apply an identity, that is a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, so it is in this identity. So now we can actually apply the identity. Alright, so cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 2 cos theta sin theta and then minus 1 and then divided by cos theta sin theta. Okay, so now what we can do is, now when you just look at it carefully, so here we have cos square plus sin square theta, isn't it? So we can actually apply the identity. So when we just apply the first identity, we'll get 1 and then plus 2 cos theta sin theta minus 1 divided by cos theta sin theta. Okay, so now we can actually cancel this one and this minus 1. Okay, alright, so now finally we have 2 cos theta sin theta divided by cos theta sin theta. So now what we can do, so we can actually cancel it. So cancel. Okay, so when I cancelled it, I have the remaining, that is 2, isn't it? I have only this remaining, that is 2. So the answer for this question is going to be 2. Okay, so here when you just check it out, we have 2 right over here. Okay, so this is going to be your answer.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video, share it to your friends and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any doubt, comment me in the comment section. Catch you in the next video. Bye.